Aloha mai kākou. I'm Kumumailena Ehu coming to you from Kahale, Hoaka, an online school of Hawaiian learning on the island of Molokaʻi. I started a passion project called Hānai Kiaʻi about 1.5 years ago when Kahale Hoaka was first born. And I had these aha moments that would come to me, and I would realize that I had some stories to share, and I thought that it could really help others. I've been a mother for the last 22 years. I have 3 Keiki, a son and 2 daughters ranging from the ages of 22 to 11. And I've been through a lot of trials, tribulations, and triumphs. And so Hānai Kiaʻi is a passion project where I share my own personal stories and things that have been successful in our lives as far as Hānai Kiaʻi, raising guardians, raising the next generation to be strong men and women that can become leaders for our ʻāina, for our earth, for our people, that are rooted in strong cultural values and just how to be a great human being. So this is what Hānai Kiaʻi is. It's just a bunch of really cool videos, me talking to you from my heart, from my pu'uwai, and sharing my mo'olelo with you so that hopefully it'll help you better navigate your story and your experience with raising your keiki in your own space and home. So check out Hānai Kiaʻi. It definitely has brought me a lot of joy sharing these stories, and I can see how these stories are only happened because I learned from others that were willing to share with me. So this is what I want to give to you. I want to share my experiences and my story. So check out Hānai Kiaʻi. Ahui ho, malama pono.